friends. If you're over 40 and feel like side hustles just take more from you than they give back, I get it. I've tried so many things that were supposed to help me earn online, but all they did was wear me out. Let me take you back for a second. A few years ago, I had to resign from my teaching job because of a chronic illness. I wanted something that would allow me to still contribute to my family financially without sacrificing my health or the little energy I had left for my family. So I started trying every online side hustle I could find. I opened an Etsy shop, I published books on Amazon KDP, I did freelance writing, had a blog, all the things. And while I learned a ton, I was working long hours for pennies. There was always something else to do, something new to learn, and I never felt like I could keep up. Sound familiar? Most people over 40 who try to start something online end up burned out. And here's why. We don't have endless hours to pour into a business. We're not 25 and glued to social media all day. We're caring for aging parents, helping our kids, working day jobs, managing a household. Time is precious, and honestly, I didn't want to hustle. I wanted a life. If you're nodding along and thinking, yes, that's me, I want to give you something that actually helped me. You can go to mydailypayway.com and grab the free blueprint that walks you through this step-by-step system. It's helped thousands of people 40 and up start earning daily pay online with just a phone and Wi-Fi. No pressure, just information you can use. Okay, so what finally worked for me? I came across a system called the Freedom Blueprint. And I'll be honest, I was skeptical at first. But here's what made me lean in. It was designed for beginners. No tech skills are required, no paid ads, no cold messaging people, just 2 hours a day posting simple content and letting the system do the heavy lifting. The blueprint gives you a done-for-you website and email funnel, step-by-step video training, resale rights to 4 digital products at $100, $300, $600, and $900. You get 100% profit on every sale, you guys, and a massive support community that actually shows up for each other. But here's the thing I love the most. It gives you your time back. You get to work from your phone. You get to earn while you learn. And you get to be present for the things that matter most. The birthday dinners, the late night talks, the slow mornings, the spontaneous moments with your family. That's why I'm sharing this. Not because I'm some expert, I'm not. I'm walking through this blueprint step by step, just like you could. I'm learning as I go. I'm just the guide pointing you to something that's finally working for me. If this sounds like what you've been searching for, drop ready in the comments and I'll send you the link. Or just go straight to mydailypayway.com and download the blueprint. You don't have to figure this out alone, my friend. You don't have to keep trading your time for dollars. You don't have to wait for things to calm down before you start. Let's build something that actually fits your life.